Ready to elevate your investment game? Let us introduce you to Smart SIP, a feature that blends the thrill of higher returns with the safety of risk management. Smart SIP is designed to maximize your returns while helping you master the risk management. Think of it as having a dual parachute for your investments: high risk, high reward equity funds paired with stable, low risk money market options. Our sophisticated system, powered by expert data analysis, seasoned financiers, and cutting-edge AI, constantly monitors the market. It adjusts your investments in real time to keep you on track when the market gets turbulent. Getting started with the Smart SIP is easy. Let me show you. First, you open the Bullsmart app, head to the profile section and click on Smart SIP. Here, you'll find a brief overview of Smart SIP's benefits. Tap Get Started to dive in. You'll see a list of equity funds supported by Smart SIP. Choose one based on your risk appetite and investment goals. Next, select a complementary money market fund to balance your investment. This ensures that you are prepared for both high returns and stability. Enter your desired monthly SIP amount and the date for debit. This will be the date when the money will be deducted from your account each month. After that, choose the date you want the funds to be transferred from the money market to the equity fund. Finally, enter the OTP sent to your phone number to complete the payment. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Smart SIP. You are now leveraging best of both worlds, smart investing with a safety net. Thank you for choosing Bullsmart. For any questions or support, our team is here to help. Happy investing.